When COVID hit and a lot of our summer internships for our master's and our MBA students started to disappear or get pushed back into the fall or the spring, we reached out to Deloitte and said, okay, is there a way that we can continue to offer our students some enriching opportunities over their summer to really build on what we think is the Smith School's competitive advantage, analytics.
We have a strong history of working closely with the faculty and staff at the Smith School of Business to bring our professionals into the classroom to lead classes on data science and analytics to better help prepare them for careers. And since we weren't able to do that in person this semester, we wanted to be able to find an alternative approach.
What they said is they've been doing some work, but it would be interesting to get more eyes, more skills, more students involved using sentiment analysis through Twitter and other social media sites to see what is the public response to the government's response to COVID.
So really the project from its beginning was working with Deloitte with some of their data scientists and consultants to teach students on natural language processing techniques, really go through the basics. It was a 3-week workshop with deliverables every single week. Students would work on those, submit their code. So it was kind of a combination of the principles behind the data science and then the actual coding itself.
For each workshop, we will have different instructors for that workshop. So this is not really just a workshop, but also a great opportunity to networking with the professionals.
Our intention with this workshop was really to provide students with some hands-on experience with real-world data sets. So one of the data sets that we were able to find that was relevant with everything going on is these COVID tweets. So we really are hoping that the students would be, one, not only learning hot skills in the market that will make them marketable when applying for jobs, but two, feeling empowered in the current situation we are in with the pandemic, and really being able to provide these actionable kind of best practices of how do you best respond to a pandemic.
Exposing students and offering them these opportunities to start to flex their muscles with their acquired skill sets in these real problem settings. That's, I think, how we can deliver a lot of value to our students to complement what's happening in the classroom. And so the more we're able to create, the better we're able to serve our students and really let our, the industry around us know what great talent we have.